Do you have a Canon printer and you spend a lot of money to replace the ink cartridges? I found these ink cartridges that are very affordable and they do amazing, and I use them all the time instead of the real ones. And I'm going to show you. It's time for me to replace my ink cartridges, so I'm going to show you how I do it. They come as well the same model, and they just like click them just like you do with a regular one. I have the Canon MX 922 printer. So you just replace it like you normally do. So we need to replace the yellow. I'm gonna take out the yellow. And that's all what we need to replace today. We just open this, remove this little lid, and just insert it and close it. Your printer is ready now to print. You can do this for all the other colors, and it comes with all the colors as well, and it comes with multiple sizes. I hope this video was useful for you and you don't spend anymore a lot of money on the other cartridges. Thank you for watching.